Oh, you're welcome. Today I just want to show you how you can use Excel to present a data analysis for business, for healthcare, anything. We have a data here already on this screen, and I want you to go with me how I use Excel for data analysis on this Excel. So follow me as I go on with the tutorial. Firstly, I want you to know that data science is an intermediary field that uses scientific method, process and algorithm and system to extract knowledge and insight from structured and unstructured data. Now, all that data science is all about is obtaining and processing and analyze data to gain insight for different purposes. So this one I just want us to see how we can use it. So firstly, on this Excel, you can go to your file, go to option. When you go to option, add in, click add in, you can click on go. The essence of this, now you can click your analysis toolbar, you can discover add in and any other pictures that you want. Then you click OK. When you click OK, you will see under your data, when you come to data, you will see that add in is already there. Data analysis is already there. So we want to use data analysis to check out the list of sales on drugs for this particular product we have here. We have ibuprofen, we have amoxicillin, we have aspirin, and many others like that. So on this, we just want to check how we can use data analysis to bring out insight upon this Excel work. Now, one thing about data science is just like everything you do is recorded. Now, data science is useful for descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, whereby you are forecasting weather or forecasting anything, or predictive analysis. But today we are going to be using descriptive analysis to check out the sales of drugs and check how we can to check out the sales on drug on this. So I continue. So after you click your data analysis, so we click descriptive statistics. So the descriptive statistics is what you want to use. So your input range, you click your input range. So your input range, let's go for, you are using aspirin. So you highlight there. Then what is your output range? Your output range is where you want your, so your output range can be here. Then the summary, what is the result you want to get? Summary statistics. You click summary statistic. You click OK. See now, the aspirin sales has come up for descriptive statistic. So now we can just click here to add. Excel is a wonderful place. Excel is a wonderful sheet or software that you can use for data science or data analysis, and it helps you to present your work better. Now on this column, I'm going to edit it to aspirin. So likewise, you want to do it for amoxicillin or ibuprofen, then do the same thing. To do the same thing, then you click on the data analysis and also add descriptive statistic. The output, your input range is going to be, your input range now is going to be for amoxicillin. Your input range is this one. Then your output range, your output range summary of statistics, you click OK. Now Amoslin has come. That's okay. So you can be able to know now the mode, the media, the range, and everything. You can be able to know everything here. So we can edit this one also to Amoslin. So the essence of this is just for us to have an insightful presentation or anything for our program or anything. So you name it to Amoslin. So you can now edit your work, just format it to how you want it to be. You format it and it's going to be great. So you continue like that. So that is how it is for data analysis. Now, in case of where you want to get the frequency, of this same list of goods sold. You want to get the frequency of the sales of these drugs that are sold. Now, you come here again on your data, click on your data, same data analysis. So because we are getting frequency, we are going with the histogram, where it can show us the presentation of how you, maybe the one that had the highest sale and the rest. So we click here also histogram. Then on this input range, you are going to change your input range. Maybe you are going for ibuprofen. Now you want to see the increase or decrease of sales between ibuprofen and, or let's say the three of them at per time. So let's go with ibuprofen. So your bin range is the range whereby you are comparing with. So your output range. Now your output range. Click OK. Now right click to make it, format it to chart. So now you can see the relations. Now you can now edit your frequency and your bin. So this is how you can see that we have the sales of ibuprofen over the Amoslin. So this is how we can generate a database. So that is just it. Can I edit? As you get your frequency, you can just save your work and get it ready for any presentation or any report.